Good morning. 6:45. I think it was 39 degrees when I left. I forgot my two face masks, so it's a little cold. Let's talk through some gears. Holding in the clutch. We in third. We're coasting. Front and rear brake. Gently applied. Get down to about 20. Hit this turn. And let's get on the freeway. Signal left. Third to fourth. Fourth to fifth. Fifth to sixth. Happy Tuesday. Cancel signal. It's gonna be a long day. Got a basketball game in Pebble Beach. Oh, you're gonna pull out in front of me? We adjust. Signal left. Left lane. Speed up. Signal right. Back to the right. That was fun. Alright, let's find our gap. Oh, we're clear. Runway is clear. Signal right. Turning lane. Apply brakes. Downshift. 6th to 5th. 5th to 4th. 4th to 3rd. Let's hit this turn. Throttle out. Slowly release clutch. Well done. Cancel signal. Don't do it, don't do it. Thank you. That was cheating. Always be ready. So anything can happen while you're riding. That was the gist of it for me. This is more of a back road. Man, I can't wait till the sun starts going up at 6:30 so I can get to work when I want to. Stay there, truck. Stay there. I like to get to work at 6:30 when it opens. But then now I have to change my visor. Then I have to rechange it again. I just need the sun to get up earlier. The sun's being lazy. Cancel signal. Man, Shabuzi is the best thing to happen up in the country since country music. He brings a little bit of swag finally. Shout out Shabuzi. 5 to 4, 4 to 3, break, 3 to 2. What's up, work? Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Kick him out the door. Oh my good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. One of the reasons why I leave work the time I leave work is to see this. Come on now. Thanks for riding.